Hi, if you are preparing for Tableau Partner Consultant Exam, you must see this video in detail because here we are going to discuss about the ingredients of Tableau certification practice exam that we have developed and what is the difference between the Tableau data analyst exam and Tableau partner certification exam. So stick around and let's see how we are going to explain, and definitely it is going to add value in your preparation. As per the course outline of Partner Consultant Certification Exam, it contains 4 domains, 12 major areas and 52 topic points, which I am going to explain one by one. The main difference between data analyst and partner certification is that in the data analyst exam, the main focus is more on the development and implementation. But here when you go to the partner certification exam, here additional focus comes on the evaluation and troubleshooting, stabilizing the environment, governance, implementation and rollout. So there is around 60% overlap of the content between data analyst and partner certification, but around 35 to 40% is more area that you need to cover. The way we have designed our partner certification consultant exam is to cover all 4 domains, major areas and all topic points. Now let's see how we have developed these practice exams in detail. As I mentioned earlier about Tableau Partner Consultant Certification Exam, it has 4 domains. The first domain is evaluate current state. It has 28% weightage in the exam. It has 2 main areas with 8 topic points, and we can expect around 13 to 14 questions in the exam from this area. Now this area is a new area that you should know how to evaluate the environment. For example, when you go to the new environment, what are your skill set in order to grasp the existing architecture and understanding how they have implemented. Second domain is about plan and prepare data connections. It has 19% weightage in the exam. There are 3 main areas and 14 topic points, and you can expect around 9 to 10 questions from this area. Domain 3 is design and troubleshoot calculation and the workbooks. 39% is its weightage. 3 main areas with 18 topic points, and you can expect around 18 questions from the in the exam. Now this area is purely overlap with the previous exam of the data analyst. Fourth domain is establish governance and support published content. It has 14% in the exam with 4 main areas and 14 topic points, and you can expect around 6 questions from this area. So in total, what we can say, domain 1 and domain 4, these are 2 additional areas that you should take care and you should give focus according to this. The way we have designed our practice exams are based on the course outline that I have just mentioned, that what we are expecting the number of questions in the exam based on the percentage, based on the major areas, based on the topic points. So this is how we have developed our partner certification exam, and these are developed by professionals who have already industry experience and they have certified in these subject areas. So definitely you will find good quality and the content which are going to add great benefit during your preparation. And we have a money back guarantee as well. So if you take our practice exam and you don't like it, you can get a refund, and we have our WhatsApp support. You can call us or you can have an email. We respond each and every query that our users ask. So feel free to get in touch with us and we would be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much.